Hey guys, this is Osam Hossain and you're watching Top Pro. In this video, I'll be telling about the latest upcoming flagship from ZTE, which is the Nubia Z18. Talking towards the display of the Nubia Z18, the Nubia Z18 will be having IPL LCD technology, having screen size of 6" with full HD screen resolution. Talking towards the internal storage, the Nubia Z18 will be having 64GB or 128GB of internal storage. On the camera side, you will be getting dual camera setup on the Nubia Z18 with the front camera of 8 megapixels, while on the back you will be getting 24 megapixel camera. On the performance side, you will be getting the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 chipset on the latest ZTE Nubia Z18 with the graphic card of Adreno 630 and with 6GB of RAM. On the software side, it is expected that you will be getting the latest Android 8.0 Oreo out of the box on the latest ZTE Nubia Z18. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and share this video and do subscribe my channel for more interesting videos.